This is 2006 BMW X3. Yesterday when I was driving on the highway, I got service engine light on. You can take it to any auto parts shop and they can read the code, OBD code from here. They can put a meter and then read the code, and the code I got is P0301. That means cylinder 1 misfiring. Now this is the engine with covering all the cylinders, and this, if you see there's a plastic plastic cap that's covering the nut. There is one cap here and another one there. Similarly, there is one here and then the back. Total 4. I open only the left first one and the left in the back, left front and left back, just to open this side. Okay, and you can take a screwdriver and just flip it with the screwdriver, so this will come off. See it here, if I flip with a small screwdriver, so this plastic cap comes off. Take it out, then break. And then if you see a nut, there is one nut there, so you can take out that nut. It should be easy to take it out. Like put it here and then take it out. This is just to hold the whole plastic plate covering the engine. Just remove the one nut here and another one in the back. Engine cap, just turn, rotate anti-clockwise, and then lift this plastic cover on the engine, which covers all the. So, and all these cylinder 1 to 6 in 2006 BMW X3 are in left side of the engine. So that's why I opened this side of the engine. So if any one of the coils or the spark plugs are not working, or any of the cylinders are not firing, that means when you're driving, you can see the vehicle, the engine vibrates and the whole vehicle will vibrate. And especially you will notice that when you stop at a signal, and also you see the acceleration, when you press acceleration, it's not going to be smooth. So that means one of the cylinders is not working, and you can fix as soon as you can. So what I did is, with ignition coil 1, you can, once you take out the wire harness, you can pull it out, like gently pull it out. This is the ignition coil. If you see this one, this might be broken if the cylinder 1 is not working, means ignition coil is gone, or maybe the spark plug is gone. So to test, what I did is, these are all 6 cylinders, has 6 coils and 6 spark plugs. So what I did is, to make sure that this is the coil or spark plug, I took this one, this is coil 1, and then replaced with coil 2. So switched it basically, so that I know next time I take it to the auto shop, they can see and test the code. If it is P0302, that means the coil is broken. If it's still P0301, that means the first cylinder, that means the spark plug is broken. So now I switched from coil 1 to 2 and coil 2 to 1. And when I took back to auto shop, they told me now the error is P0302. So now I know that this is an issue with the coil. So I ordered the coil already. Once I get it, I know I'm going to replace within coil 2 here, so that way my problem is fixed. The another way to test is, if the coil is bad, just turn on the engine in the idle position, put it in the idle, and then lift this, means disconnect this coil. And if we see any variation in the sound from the engine, that means this is good. If you don't see any sound variation, when you disconnect one of the coils, that means it is bad, it's not working, so there is no change in the engine function. Okay, I got the new. Now I know that the bad one is in coil, cylinder 2. I got a new one. I'm going to replace that now. Now I got the new coil. It's exactly same as the old one, so I will take out the old one again, and the bad one is in coil 2. Take out the harness and then pull out. This is the bad one. I'm going to replace with the new one, and I'm putting the new one here. Push a little hard. Yep. And then put the wire connection back. Now I replaced the bad ignition coil with the new one, and I did test drive, and it looks fine. The problem is fixed. The engine is not vibrating and the transmission is smooth. That means the problem is gone. But still, if you see here, the service engine light on is still there. So either I can take it to a local auto shop to reset, or I probably wait, usually for about within 100 miles. This will go away automatically, because maybe the onboard computer may be checking to see if everything is fine or not. So within 100 miles it should go away. So I'm going to wait. I just reset the trip meter, and I'm going to wait and see how long it's going to take to reset the service engine light on. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Now if you see the service engine tune light, it's gone. So it's around 30 miles now, around 20 miles it reset. It seems like there is a onboard computer that checks for every 50 miles or 100 miles and resets if any of the problems are fixed. So that means now it is clear. I don't have to go back to reset the light. So everything is good now. Thank you so much, and try at your own risk. Bye bye.